Okay, now let me teach you how to install the control software and the RIP software on your computer. First, before you install the software on your computer, we need to close or reinstall or remove all the antivirus software on your computer, such as Kaspersky or 360. We need to close it, and also close the Windows Defender system. And then we open the file USB flash that goes with your machine delivery. There's a USB flash, and when you open the flash, you will see some files: control software, RIP software, test print file, installation video, troubleshooting file. So first we need to open the control software. Let's open the control software first. But before you install your control software on your computer, you need to know first what the system of your computer. If your computer is Windows 10, we need to do some setting before we install the control system, because we need to block and disable the signature of Windows 10 system. So we open the Windows 10 setting before install folder, and here have two files. That means we have two methods to allow you to disable the driver signature. First, you just click it, but before you click it, you need to save all the job before you click it, because if you click it, your computer will reboot immediately. And the second one, if by the first one method you cannot disable the driver signature succeed, we can do as the method 2. We open the file and we do step by step. First, we click info and setting, just like here, info, setting, and here have the safety option and recovery. Here have the reboot. We choose this reboot, that adventure reboot. So first one is setting, and goes to all setting, and goes to update and safety option, and we go to recovery and advanced start. Then the computer will restart right now. After restart, then the screen will show you to choose option. So we choose troubleshooting, and then we go to choose advanced option, and then we go to choose the startup setting, and then we choose restart. So the computer will restart again, and then when your computer shows this screen, we just place the 7 on your keyboard. So the computer will start reboot as disable driver signature method to restart the computer again. After that, we can install the software. So this is all the methods to block and block the signature and disable the signature of Windows 10 to install the control system before we do the setting. So after we did this option, then we can go to the control software. We find out the first Vega-Jet control system. There's a zip file and also a exe file. If this exe file is broken, you can use this one. These two is the same, so we just open it, and then we let you to choose the language. First one is English, second one is Chinese. But if your computer system is English, it will show English. So we choose the first one, English, then confirm, then start install the Vega-Jet control system, and then we just click next. And this is the destination folder. You can choose D or C flash disk, but normally better to use default as D program file, and then choose next, and then choose next, and then next. then choose repair, next, then finish. And then choose modify, and then next, and then is the driver, and then next, then finish. So after you installed, you will find an icon named Vega-Jet. There's an icon on your desktop. So right now, if your machine is powered off, you cannot open it. When you open it, it will show you print not found because you have not connected the USB with the computer. So this control system can only working when your printer is powered on and the printer connect with the computer with USB cable already. So that means we have already installed the control system already. So this is the procedure to install the control system. Okay, then we start to install the RIP software on your computer. The RIP software is used for raster the picture before printing because the computer cannot detect the JPEG or T format directly to print. So we need to use the RIP software to do the RIP process. So first we're going to install it, and also the same, we need to remove and or close the antivirus software as Kaspersky or the antivirus software. Then we open a USB flash named the Vega-Jet support that goes to your machine delivery, and we find out the RIP software, and there's two files. This is zip file. So if the folder is broken, you can also delete it and use the zip file and unzip it to install. So first we open it and we click to running it, and then we choose the language. We choose English, then yes, and then next, and then next. Then repair, then finish, and then next, then finish, and finish. So this is the procedure for install. After you install, they have the icon named reprint on your desktop. Okay, so after we install it, then we can open the reprint to do some setting before we use it. When we open it, and on the top we show UV demonstration. If it shows demonstration here, that means you are not insert USB key, the dongle to the computer. So we need to insert the light blue dongle on your computer. And then the demonstration will be removed, will be gone. So that means the dongle is matched with the software, the key. The key is just such as a USB flash, but it's empty inside, just a key is a dongle. Then we go to click this icon, reprint, and here's some printer setting. We go to printer setting first, and we check if we choose the focus ANC and choose Epson SP600 as default. If it is not default, just click it and set as default. Now it's default already. And then we import any picture to check it. We go to any picture and we go to print. Here have some ICC profile, ABCDE for light t-shirt, for dark t-shirt. So if you can got this ICC profile, something like this, that means the RIP is working well. And later we teach you how to RIP a picture step by step. So this is just for installation. Okay, so this is all the procedure to install the control software and RIP software. So in one word, first we need to do some setting on the Windows 10 system. But if your system is Windows 7, so you can install directly. So if your system is Windows 10, we do some setting as before to block or disable the signature from Windows 10. Then we install the control software, and then we can install the RIP software, and then we do the setting on RIP software by the printed model by Fox Incorporation EPS Epson SP600 SD Fort, and check the ICC profile. So this is all the procedure to installation the software. Thank you.